Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I'd like to do today guys is show you how to use content aware scale. As you can see here, we have this image, but it's not big enough for the document size and we have space on either on the left and right hand side here. Now what I would like to use is content aware scale because I want to keep that bird, the main figure of this image, non-change. I don't want to make it bigger, smaller, or anything. So what I need to use is content aware scale. So what I'd like to do is show you the process of how to do it. Okay, so the first thing that I would need to do is to make a selection of the bird, the seagull here. So I want to use the object selection tool. Let's make sure the layer is highlighted and just come over here and just highlight that bird like so. Now with that selection still live, what I'm now going to do is come to select. I'm going to save the selection. Okay, I'm going to come through here, save the selection. Let's call this seagull, and we'll press OK. And then we can deselect, which is the shortcut Command D on Mac or Control D on Windows. Then, with the layer still highlighted, I'm now going to come to Edit, Content Aware Scale. As you can see here, we have this option at the top here, Protect. So what I'm going to say is protect the seagull. That's where I saved my selection earlier. So now I'm going to tell the system, please, can you protect the seagull? Now, if I come through and start to extend this image, you can see the seagull is being protected, but the background has now improved and got bigger. And there you have it, guys. That's how you use content aware scale. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.